Have you ever looked closely at a package before eating what's inside? From ingredients and nutrients to allergy information and dates, labels provide important details that help us better understand the foods we eat. One of the most useful food labels is the nutrition facts table. It tells you how many nutrients are in one serving of food. First, check the serving size, because all of the information in the table is based on that amount, and it can be different from the package size. Next, look at nutrients like fiber, sugars, sodium, protein, vitamins, and minerals. The percent daily value, or percent DV, can help you compare similar foods. As a general guide, 5% daily value or less is a little, and 15% daily value or more is a lot. Food labels don't tell you what you should or shouldn't eat. Instead, they give you information to help you compare foods. For example, if you're choosing between two breakfast cereals, you might compare the amount of fiber, sodium, or sugar to find the one that best meets your needs. Sometimes you might choose a food because it's high in fiber, and other times you might simply choose a favorite treat. Healthy eating is about balance over time, and food labels help you make informed decisions. Every packaged food also has an ingredient list. Ingredients are listed from the greatest amount to the least by weight. Reading the ingredient list helps you learn what's in your food. If you have a food allergy, it's especially important because common food allergens are clearly identified on food labels to help people make safe food choices. Some foods also have a front-of-package nutrition symbol. This symbol tells you when a food is high in saturated fat, sugars, or sodium. It does not mean these foods should never be eaten. Instead, it's a quick way to help you compare products and decide how often they fit into your overall eating pattern. Another important label is the best before date. A best before date tells you how long an unopened food will keep its freshness, taste, nutritional value, and other qualities when stored properly. Food is often still safe to eat after the date is passed, although its quality may change. A best before date is not the same as an expiration date. You won't see expiration dates on most foods. They're mainly used on products like infant formula, meal replacement drinks, and some nutritional drinks made for people with special dietary needs. These products should not be eaten after the date. Understanding the difference between best before and expiration dates can help reduce food waste by preventing good food from being thrown away too soon. Food labels are tools that tell the story of what's inside a package. The nutrition facts table, ingredient list, front-of-package nutrition symbol, and date labels each provide important information. By understanding the information given to us, we can choose foods that meet our needs, enjoy variety within a balanced diet, and reduce food waste.